Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. I will be giving my kitchen, dining area, and living room a quick cleanup. And before I get started with that, I'm just going to light this candle to get it smelling really good. Y'all know this is one of the new candles that I purchased from Dollar General. And I'm also going to clean these dishes. I only had a few because I did cook earlier. So I'm just going to get those out the way. So I'm going to wipe off my countertops. I ran me some hot water and I'm just going to add some bleach because I did cook earlier. So I want to get that cooking smell out of my kitchen. But if I don't cook and I eat out before I go to bed, I will still wipe down my counters. I don't know, I just always have to do that. But I'll use another cleaning product, maybe like Pine Sol or Myers. But since I cooked, I have to use that bleach to get that smell out. Like, that just bothers me. Alright, so I'm just going to give the floor a quick sweep. And I'm not going to mop it tonight because I did mop it the night before. And plus, when I cooked, it wasn't anything that was real messy, no grease or anything like that. So there was no need for me to mop. Now I'm just changing out the kitchen towels. These ones are, well, one of them is yellow and white stripe and the other one has like a dark mustard yellow color. And I have my butter dish, and this green vase I picked up from Pop Shelf. So I'm just going to put my cooking utensils in that. Over on this side of the counter, I'm just going to make a small kitchen vignette. So I just added a vase with some greenery. I have a napkin holder, and I'll be adding a few other things also. For the dining table, I usually don't leave anything on there, maybe just a centerpiece and that's it. But this time I'm just going to add 2 placemats and dinner napkins, and that will be it.
I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you came around and you, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So I then you came around and you made it go, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. You.
I hope y'all are enjoying this video. If you are, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and also you can check out my recent videos. I will put those in the description box. Plenty of hauls and things like that. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video.